Y'all stay tuned. Okay, so you want me to go with valve? Sweetie?
Yes. Alright. It's on the bottom of this one.
Mm-hmm.
Don't rip the skin off, just the fat.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah. And then the chicken has to go on.
On the plate.
Yes.
Yes, baby. So the first thing you have to do is defatify your chicken. You don't want fat chicken. Nobody likes a fat bird. You should deskin this all the time. The skin holds in the moisture. Then you take off the skin because you don't want to eat the skin. The skin's fat. And now I have fat. Yummy. Take these off. I'll put some oil down. Keep the chicken all moist and stuff down here. Okay, no, she probably wants this water off this. Just spread some oil across that. Yeah, I think that'd be good. Good.
It's got blood on it, babe. Gross.
Yes, I said that you want this flushed off. And I even said, yeah, she's going to want that blood off there. Danielle in her natural habitat. She should be in the kitchen.
I'll just pay off camera. That's fine. Is that our son?
I think so.
Why does he always come home during a recipe?
He does.
It's not like he ever lives
No, he's already moved out.
here. Basting it with this, the juices that are already in there.
Just like you do your juicy turkey, babe.
Yes. Except this is oil. Well, no, some of this.
No, I didn't pull all the chicken fat off.